Okay, we're gonna work some ankle mobility and some calf stretch. So 4 exercises in sequence. The first one, we're gonna do foam rolling. So option 1, hands on the floor, sit back, hips off the floor, we're gonna roll slow. So while I was looking for some knots, some knot, when you find that knot, you hold. So option 1, option 2, one leg on top, and you roll, always find a spot. And then option 3, and on the other side, you can rotate your ankle, so you can do that movement here. So both sides. So when you find the knot there, you hold, and the rotation. That's option 1, about 30-45 seconds each leg. Then the second one, you're gonna use the bungee. So it can be a bit lower or higher. So you're gonna put your heels, you're gonna move as far as you can. So the key of the exercise, you gotta make sure the heels stay on the ground. Hands beside your body. You're gonna go as far as you can, keep your heels down and back again, and again. So you move about 12 repetitions, and then when you do 12, you hold and do a little bit of rotation out. So the key is always keep the heels there. Try to improve your mobility on your ankle there. So once you finish 12, do some rotation, do both sides, and then you're gonna stretch your calf. You can do some step. So you're gonna go all the way down, stretch as low as you can, squeeze your glutes, abs in, go as high as you can there. So just to improve the flexibility on the calves, all the way up, all the way down. Don't let your toes go out, keep your toes straight or in. About 12-15 repetitions. And then the last one you're gonna do on the ground, the same exercise. Keep your foot straight, as high as you can, back down again. Also squeeze the back of the leg, the glutes. I don't do 12-15 reps here. So you do those 4 exercises back to back, you improve your hip mobility and your calf strength. Thanks for watching.